How do you celebrate the holidays and other special occasions with family and friends when you're cruising and it's just not possible to get there in person? Hi, I'm Carolyn Sherlock, and on this episode of the Boat Galley Podcast, I'll tell you 4 ways that have worked for us and other cruising friends. This episode of the Boat Galley Podcast is sponsored by Rainman Watermakers and SeaTask. Rainman Watermakers are capable of producing up to 37 gallons of fresh, clean drinking water per hour from seawater. Portable and installed models are available, all with off-the-shelf parts. Configurations are available in AC, 12-volt DC, and even a gasoline system, with new 2019 models being smaller, lighter, and quieter than ever. SeaTask is the premier U.S. facility for Rainman Watermakers. Visit them at SeaTask Group, that's SeaTaskGroup.com to learn more. Somehow, someday, you're going to be in one place for a holiday, a birthday, a new baby, a graduation, a wedding. And the people you want to celebrate with are going to be somewhere else. It happens to everyone, and even more often when you're cruising. So how can you celebrate from afar? Admittedly, it's not going to be the same as actually being there, but you can develop some new traditions for your family and friends. Cell phones, FaceTime, and Skype can help, if you've got internet or cell phone coverage. Many boats on extended cruises have email too, but many of us want something more to actually feel connected with our distant family and friends. Here are 4 traditions that some of our cruising friends have developed. The first is to share a meal. Maybe you can't sit down at the same table, but you can sit down to the same meal. It takes a bit of coordination ahead of time to make sure you have the same recipes and all the necessary ingredients aboard, but it can be a fun way to feel connected. Now, if you can combine this with FaceTiming or a Skype video call, even better. And be sure, if you don't have those, take some photos and you can exchange them. Okay, the second way is go ahead and celebrate the occasion with cruisers. One day, we were invited to a birthday party for another cruiser's adult son. No, he wasn't there. We were in a remote anchorage in the Sea of Cortez, and he was in Alaska. But she baked a birthday cake, complete with candles, and invited 6 of us over to sing happy birthday and have a slice. Now, back then, there wasn't such a thing as FaceTime, but wow, today, that would be a wonderful way to celebrate it with the birthday boy. The third way is to celebrate when you are together. Other friends of ours have saved up special occasions and then celebrated them with family when they were together. Yep, it was a true Christmas in July with all the traditional food, presents, and even a fake tree. You might not be there to see the grandkids' faces when they see their Easter basket, but how about an Easter egg hunt when you are there? Or if they won a trophy, why not use it as a centerpiece for dinner one evening on your next visit home? Fourth is exchange a party in a box. A couple on another boat knew they were going to be apart on their anniversary. He was on a delivery while she was tending to their boat. Before they left, they exchanged boxes for the other to open on the big day. Not just a present, but a party in a box for them to have a bit of a celebration with friends where they were. We were invited to share in the box opening, a happy anniversary banner in Spanish since we were in Mexico, some of her favorite chocolate, a photo from their wedding, a CD with party music, margarita mix, and a bottle of tequila. Having a box gave her something to look forward to, as well as a reason to invite a bunch of friends over. And the box she sent him off with made a fun diversion for the delivery crew, mostly treats, but a few old photos of the groom in his oh-so-70s tux for the guys to laugh over. Of course, the big holidays often have parties for cruisers at a marina or a local hangout, and your cruising friends are only too willing to help you celebrate your birthday. These are great fun, but some of us feel the need to connect to family and friends back home, too. Hope these suggestions help you. Did you enjoy this episode of the Boat Galley Podcast? If so, we love getting positive reviews, and tell your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, do that too.